Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your PlayStation 5 controller turning off by itself. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if your controller is turning off by itself, you could have one of the power saving options on that will auto turn off the controller. So let's go up to settings, select this. Now go on down to where it says system. Then go to power saving. Go to the right, and then go down to set time until controller turns off. Now mine is set to 10 minutes, but you could select don't turn off, and your controller will stay on. And this says set how long your controller can stay unused before they automatically turn off. Select the setting you want. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Go and leave a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.